filming my KTM 2008 model RC8. Just been fitted with a QD exhaust system, fitted by Gary Naismith at Torque Power Motorbikes. Saves at least 10 kilos from the original factory system. Looks, in my opinion, extremely cool and sounds amazing. We're going to get it on the dyno soon and just see how much extra horsepower it's putting out, but by riding it, I reckon it's got to be like 10 up horsepower from what it was with the factory system, which had no sound at all. But the best bit is the sound. Flames coming out of the end there. We're going to get the map redone slightly to richen it up a little bit down low, which will probably take away those flames, but if not, who cares? Looks awesome. Hope you enjoyed the clip.